Our journey continues on the African savanna, where we encounter the tallest mammal, the giraffe. With their elongated necks and legs, these gentle giants can reach heights of up to 18 feet. Their unique physiology allows them to browse on leaves high in the trees. Giraffes are social animals, often forming loose herds that roam the savanna in search of food. Despite their size, they are surprisingly agile and can run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Each giraffe's pattern is unique, much like a human fingerprint. As we leave the giraffe to graze amongst the acacia trees, we are reminded of the incredible diversity of life on Earth.